Ato paminawan ang kanta, no? Ni Jay o ni Kairan. Oh, isa man eh. Oh, Kairan, malimutan ko. Ha? Isa man si Kairan day. Oh, ikaw din eh. Jay, Kairan, mali ka daw. Kailan mo bungkos ba? Si Jay, uban sa iyang graduate nga si Samuel, no? Sa inyo, kasi tikantahon ninyo, no? Honor Jehovah with valuable things. Okay, kasi Bisaya ito. Basta mo ito. Sabot ang taon na. Sige, itong paminaw nilang kanta, no? Sige.
Now I know what it takes to reach the darkness. Here's what I will do. Look to Jehovah, the best I have to do. Live for you, Jehovah, as long as I believe. No matter what life brings, I'll honor you with a vulnerable tears. Love in your heart, you have given us life, and I treasure the joy that it brings. What more can I do to give honor to you than to give you my vow?